Hey everyone, welcome to Go for Glee. This is Grace here. I share videos on home decor, DIY, art, lifestyle, and more. So today I'm here with another balcony makeover. Actually, I have a previous video on the same space, but we are starting on a clean slate. The addition being these cool curtains I found on Amazon. It's a very thick material. I went for this beige color because beige looks so good against this green. I think it's a lovely combination, and together they look so nice. And can you see these leaves? They have a marble print. That's so cute. So for a balcony makeover, I think I cannot stress enough, you need plants. I have never bought a plant online until I bought this one from Amazon. This is a self-watering pot. Happy to receive it in such good condition. This is a brand called Ugao. It came safe and sound in this box. I think it's absolutely a thumbs up from me. And then I hang art, one of my painting called Tropicana, and I call my balconies art galleries, and this one is called Blossom. So which did you like more? Balcony makeover idea. Mirrors look really nice in the outdoor space. Basket looks really cool. But I'm going ahead with this lovely stand which I like very much. So this is a very sturdy plant stand. It is also featured in my previous balcony makeover, but that time it was on the floor. So now I got the idea that I put it up on those two hooks, and what it does is it gives me more shelf space, and it draws the eye upwards, so I can have more scope to decorate. And I love decorating with books. They are my old friends. I would love nothing more than to curl up with a book. I used to do that often. But now with everything coming under DIY category of cleaning, cooking, everything, I really struggle to make time for reading, but not for creativity. I am in constant touch with my painting, and that makes me so happy. Green and orange or red is always a lovely combination. If you like the content and how it is looking so far, please subscribe. And if already subscribed, thank you so much. It's very encouraging for me to see your lovely comments, and also when new subscribers join. So I'm showing you another combination of colors. This is called Garden Goals. This is a palette knife painting and adds a lot of texture. So it's a good idea to hang all paintings at eye level, and I'm keeping you at eye level. Before I show you how I arrange the seating arrangements, I want to show you a lovely DIY option where you can propagate and make your own plants. This is the money plant, the pothos. You need to just cut it here, and this is where the root will sprout. So you have to cut it in between the rooting. This is what I have done already, and I put it into this into water, and look at the magnificent rooting that has taken place. And just like that, you can get a new baby plant, which is so exciting. So buy a DIY, but plants are a must for a balcony makeover. And now, as promised, I show you how I have done the seating, and I went ahead with this cane chair. I think cane adds a lovely element of warmth and brings in the cozy to any space. I think it can be styled in many ways, and those stumps also look very earthy and good in an outdoor space. Hope you like the small balcony makeover. Giving you another option of a neutral black and white animal print, a special cushion gifted to me by my mom. Thank you, mom. And after the makeover, tea break to banta hai. We'll try to leave the links of whatever I can find, and until then, wishing you as always good health, happiness, and glee. Bye.